Hey my friends, what's going on? It's your boy Keder on a beautiful day, my friends. So in this video today, I'm gonna be talking about 5 secret social media money hacks that you can actually utilize this year to create some income online. So I'm gonna break it down for you guys. I use the same strategy that I'm gonna teach you right now to build a new brand, and we already at 1,000 bucks a month with Amazon and some other stuff we're building also to make money in different ways. But in this video, we're gonna concentrate on how to build it and how you can use social media as a way for you to start creating income really fast. Okay, anywhere between I say 60 to 90 days. You gotta give yourself some time to pace yourself so you can make it happen. Again, my name is Keder. If it's your first time on my channel, definitely drop a comment down below. Let me know it's your first time. Also subscribe to this channel. I make videos all the time about topic of entrepreneurship, how to make money online, stuff like that. If that stuff interests you, definitely consider subscribing. Let me ask you a question real quick. Let me know in the comment down below. This strategy I'm going to teach you. How much money would you need to be making with it for you to feel like it's worth it? How much money you need to be making with it monthly? All right, drop in the comment, let me know so I can know how much would that be worth it for you. Like the one I'm going to teach you right now is doing 1,000 bucks a month with Amazon, and we have other strategy combined with it, about 7 different ways that it's making money, but I'm just showing you one in this video on how to do one. Because if you can do one, then you can do the other ones. I don't want to confuse you with too much information in just one video, but we're going to concentrate on just one. Okay, so what's the first step to make this stuff work? The first thing we're gonna do is to grow a testing page. Now, if you know anything about Facebook, they have Facebook page, Facebook profile, Facebook group. There's a 3 different identity on Facebook. What you will want is a Facebook page. Now, if you go on Facebook, you search for anything, you will find a page. Matter of fact, I was watching TV the other day and I see Facebook is doing commercials for themselves, saying that they have a Facebook page for anything and a Facebook group for anything, join the community and stuff like that. But the cool part is that this community, they are not created by Facebook. They are regular people like me and you who create this community, and Facebook kind of drive the traffic, is the platform that has all those people that has the same interest. So you can build a page and then you can start growing the page. Now there's 2 ways you can go about the page for you to get this to work. Okay, one, you could create what's called a viral page. A viral page, the content won't be centered on a specific niche. It will just be any type of content that's going viral. Like anything that's going viral online, you can just drop it on the page. That's cool. You can grow the page that way. It could be funny cat, funny dog. It could be, how to make food video. It could be, tap funny video, tap meme, all of that. That could be a viral page where you can get all sorts of people on the page. Is not very specific. The second way to go about the page is to create a niche page. So you can go into a specific niche where all the content will be for that specific niche. Let's say for weight loss, it will be just content for weight loss. Then every day you'll be posting content on that page so that you can get the page to go viral. Okay? The second thing you want to do is to create a related Instagram to that page. Now, you can create the Instagram and give it the same name as the page so that they can be relatable, so that the people because what we're going to do is to interlink the traffic together. We're going to drive traffic from Instagram to Facebook page, from the page to Instagram at the same time. So that way, people will recognize each other, but the traffic will still be driven in 2 different platforms, because Instagram and Facebook, they are 2 different platforms, although Facebook owns Instagram. So once you have the Instagram growing, the way to grow your Instagram is to do hashtags and do 3 posts every single day in your particular niche, so that it can start growing the Instagram. So now let's move on into the 3rd step now, okay? So once you have the page for Instagram, you have the page for Instagram, you have the page for Facebook. The 3rd step is to share related content inside of Facebook groups. So when you post, if your page is about health and fitness, when you're posting your health and fitness, if you want to do it free on the 3rd step, what you want to do is to share your posts in groups that's already related to health and fitness, or in groups, if you're into the cooking niche, you find groups that's already related into the cooking niche. Every day when you post your content on your page, you go share it in the group. And remember, in the beginning, your content will not have any links. You're not backlinking, you're not sending people to Amazon. That's why I said give yourself about 30 days so you can do the first 10 days where you're just sharing content on your page and sharing it in those groups. Because what's gonna happen, all those people, you're gonna have groups that has 200,000, 100,000 people, whatever amount. All those people now you can start attracting the traffic. Another cool tip, some groups, they allow you to join the group with your page, which will be great, instead of your profile. So when you join the group with your page, when you share a post from your page to the group, whenever someone in the group like the photo, you can send them an invite. You can tell them, you can literally go in the page now, in the group, and then click on your photo and click on all the likes, and then tell Facebook, invite those people to like your page. Now your page is gonna start growing on automation just by sharing the content from your page inside of this group. Now Facebook changed their rules where you cannot join every group. People can actually set it up in their setting where you cannot join the group as a page. But for the groups that allow you to join as a page, join the group as a page and then share the content from your Facebook page inside of the group. Then invite people to come and like your page. Your page is gonna start growing. The fourth way, if you want to do it a lot faster than waiting to have to, get people from the group, you could run a $5 ad every single day to your page, to the content on your page. Find some of the content that went viral. Again, if it's already went viral, it's proven and tested to go viral, you're more likely to get the content to go viral a lot more. So you can run an ad to that content and then do the same thing. Once people like the content, you send them an invite to actually like your page. That way your page is gonna start growing. A tool that I used to do that is called social sample tool. Okay, that tool allows you to just send a bunch of invite on automation. That's one of the tools you can actually use to do that. All right, so last step number 5. Once you get those process going, it might take you about 3 to 10 days, okay? Once you get those process going, the next step is to monetize with Amazon affiliate, which is really easy. All you gotta do is go to Amazon affiliate, Amazon associate, sign up for an account, and then once you sign up for the account, you can go inside of your back office and get any link to any products that you wanna promote. So every day, you can find different products into that niche, post it on your page, see if the product on Amazon, if they have any interesting pictures. Because what happened, a lot of products on Amazon, they'll have a picture of the product itself, but what I like to do is to go on Amazon, go inside of the customer's review. Because if you go in the product on Amazon, you'll find the customer's review, and a lot of the customers, they'll upload videos on how to use the product, they'll upload pictures of what they use the product, and some of those pictures, a lot of people like them and say it was helpful, in the comments, it was helpful. And the pictures that gets a lot of, helpful, or it was helpful, those pictures, they usually can go viral. So you can test those pictures with that product on your page, okay? And then put the link to that product. So every day now, as your page keep growing, you just keep testing one product, 2 products a day like we do over here. And then once you have a product you see that's gone viral on the page, what you do, you go to the Instagram page that you have, you do the same thing, because Instagram, once you hit 10,000 people, it allows you to do swipe up, which is really cool. So you can keep on growing your page, which your page should get to about 10,000 people if you're doing the three posts a day strategy in about, I'll say, 3 months or less. If you know what you're doing, if you do hashtags, there's a couple of different strategies. You can do hashtags, you can do the 3 posts a day strategy, you can do some viral content on Instagram to just get it to grow. And it's all about creating content. If you don't have to create content, you can curate content, which is finding someone else's content, put it in your Instagram, give them credit. That way you have so much content. The internet is your playground. You'll find so much content to put on your page if you're not worrying about, how the page grow and the specific content that goes on there. But once you hit 10K now, what you could do now, whatever you find that's going viral that people love on your page, remember it's the same audience, you can hit them on Instagram, because sometimes people don't buy on Facebook, but they buy on Instagram. If you have the swipe up ability now, you can put it like you see in this example here. I posted this post on my Facebook and it was getting some good traction. So we do the same thing on Instagram, and then you can do the swipe up feature that way it can grow a lot faster. But anyway, that was your boy Keder. Let me know if you do find some value inside of this video. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Also, I have a full course called The Long-Term Business. If you're interested into building a brand for the long term, definitely check out the full webinar down below, and I'll put a link in the description. And it shows you exactly what I'm doing, because I have other 7 different ways for you to monetize your income. Check it out. I'll see you guys on the next video. See you guys later.